The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, until 7:30 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Newark, Elizabeth, Plainfield, Linden, Orange, Summit, Millburn, Caldwell, Clark, Fairfield, Union, East Orange, Irvington, West Orange, Montclair, Westfield, Livingston, Broadway, Maplewood and Scotch Plains. Move to higher ground now. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Essex and Union.